Hey, this is Jameson. I'm back again. Oh crap. Camera angles getting messed up. Oh, that's even worse. There we go. This is gonna hurt my hand. But I can But I can deal with it. I hate vlogging in a car. I'm gonna go pick up the new dog. If you all haven't checked out my last video called Saints Row, I don't know if it was called Saints Row or if it was just called Saint. I don't know. Well, you all know that I don't know how to edit videos. I hope that someone nice enough in the comment section will tell me how to edit, because there's no way I'm giving you my phone number. Well, that's about all there is to talk about, because I'm in a car. I mean, there's a dude beside me. There's someone in front of me. Big line of cars. Well, that's it for this video. So, bye. Yeah, I messed with you. That's not the end. Trying to think. Well, yep, I'm just on my way to go get some dog food and pick up the new dog. I'll probably make a new video once I get my new dog. So, bye.